Headache English. Startup.
Today, we are going to learn 1. List of confusing words with meanings. 2. Sentence samples. 3. Quiz. 4. Advanced level practice.
Words to discuss. Board versus board. Loan versus loan. Pain versus pain. Peak versus peak. Stairs versus stairs.
Board versus board. Board. Noun. A thin and flat piece of wood like plank, be more panel. Bored. Adjective feeling weary because of an uninterested activity.
Examples. Bored, the teacher is writing our activities on the board. Bored, I got bored while watching the movie John recommended.
Let us use the words together. The students did not get bored while the teacher was writing on the board because she was discussing at the same time.
Loan versus loan. Loan. Noun. A thing or a money that is borrowed. Loan. Adjective single or solo, lacking the support of others, and remote place.
Examples. Loan, I had to take out a loan for my dream house. Loan, Jeremiah was the lone survivor of the war.
Let us use the words together. We plan to buy the lone house in that place but we lack money. We might ask the bank for a loan instead.
Pain versus pain. Pain. Noun. Discomfort or suffering because of an injury, sorrow. Pain. Noun. A single or framed sheet of glass in a door or window.
Examples. Pain, the pain in his knee had come back. Pain, Mr. Rosario was cleaning the door pane when I arrived.
Let us use the words together. I did not see the broken glass of our window pane on the floor and walked on it. Now, I can feel the pain in my feet.
Peak versus peak. Peak. Adjective top, highest point, or maximum. Peak. Verb. Peep or look quickly.
Examples. Peak, many mountaineers reached the peak of Mount Everest with the help of the Sherpas. Peak, Mr. Geronimo peeked through the window to see the noisy people outside his office.
Let us use the words together. The mountaineers took a peek at the peak of the mountain before they resumed climbing.
Stairs versus stairs. Stairs. Noun. A set of steps that lead from one level or floor to another. Stairs. Verb. To look fixedly or for a long time.
Examples. Stairs, I ran through the wide and long stairs yesterday. Stairs, the dog stares out at the distance.
Let us use the words together. I stared at the ceiling before resuming climbing the stairs.
You're on the mid part of the video. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe and share this video.
Let us check your knowledge. Directions. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. If the word does not fit, leave the space empty.
Number 1. We went to our blank to get our things. Number 2. I am getting blank while waiting for my brother to pick me up. Number 3. They will be putting a blank at the stadium for the event tomorrow.
Letter A. Bored. Letter B. Bored.
The correct answers are Number 2. Letter B. I am getting bored while waiting for my brother to pick me up. Number 3. Letter A. They will be putting a board at the stadium for the event tomorrow.
Number 4. A blank tourist was sitting at the rock formation. Number 5. I will blank with my sister. Number 6. The company offers financing blank.
Letter A. Loan. Letter B. Loan.
The correct answers are Number 4. Letter B. A lone tourist was sitting at the rock formation. Number 6. Letter A. The company offers financing loan.
Number 7. The blank of the past is hard to forget but it teaches us great lessons. Number 8. The small blank of glass was covered with fog. Number 9. I was blank when I reached the top of the mountain.
Letter A. Pain. Letter B. Pain.
The correct answers are: number 7, letter A. The pains of the past is hard to forget, but it teaches us great lessons. Number 8, letter B. The small pane of glass was covered with fog.
Number 10. They are hiring more seasonal employees during the blank season. Number 11. We will blank apples in our orchard. Number 12. I took a quick blank at the apartment for rent near our village.
Letter A. Peak. Letter B. Peak.
The correct answers are: number 10, letter A. They are hiring more seasonal employees during the peak season. Number 12, letter B. I took a quick peek at the apartment for rent near our village.
Number 13. The dog blanked to the park fast. Number 14. Rozil blanket the crowd. Number 15. I will use the elevator. I am exhausted to use the blank now.
Letter A. Stairs. Letter B. Stairs.
The correct answers are: number 14, letter B. Rozil stares at the crowd. Number 15, letter A. I will use the elevator. I am exhausted to use the stairs now.
Now, let us see how the engineers use the words we discussed.
Okay team, look at the board. Here are some recommendations and plans on how we can work with our project properly. Hopefully you won't get bored, as we might take an hour or two to discuss everything. We are at the peak of popularity because of the quality and excellent designs of our condominiums. You can take a peek on our website to see how many people visit us every day. As you can see, mostly the company offers condominiums that feel like home for families. Yet most of the company clients here are lone bachelors, so the company decided to engage with these clients.
How about the financing? Will it be applied to?
Yes, it will. We're going to offer condominium loans with low interest.
After some time.
Will our clients like the stairs in their unit, or are we going to put elevators?
Based from our data on the pre-sales of our condominiums, they prefer stairs. But we offer alterations, like putting elevators and panes if they request, but with additional payment.
Now let us distribute the areas.
Few moments after distributing the areas.
Jax, stop staring at your laptop. Seems like you're in pain while reviewing everything.
It seems like it. But I know our team can do this if we work together.
Congratulations! You've reached the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you for watching.